Are you tired of losing customers because you can't keep up with your online reviews? Learn how to manage your local SEO reputation in under 3 minutes. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Semrush to centralize your review management, respond to feedback, and track competitors. Let's dive in. Start by going to your Semrush folders. Click on the first highlight. Click on the second highlight. Click on the third highlight. Click on the fourth highlight. Click on the Facebook link. Click on the next highlight. Click on Manage Reputation and Track Competitors. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.